Hello everyone, I hope you all are having an amazing time. Today I'm back with another tutorial video, and in this video I'll be guiding you guys to the steps of signing up for your World Remit account. But before that, here's a short description about it. World Remit is a cross-border digital payment service that provides international money transfer and remittance services in more than 130 countries and over 70 currencies. So if you want to find out how you can sign up for World Remit, then make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, open the app World Remit. After that, tap on login option right here. Now you'll be able to see an option sign up. Tap on it. To sign up, you first have to provide your email address and then create a password. You can also enter the referral code, but entering a referral code is optional. And once you do all of these, tap on register. After that, follow the further instructions provided, and finally you'll be registered for World Remit. So we have come to the end of the video. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If it was, then please make sure to like, leave a comment, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel Tech Quest. We'll be back with more such videos. Until then, have a great time. Bye bye.